Hello, I'm Kate Gardens, and this is our weekly market update for Friday, November 16, 2012. This week we will look at apartment renovation trends in the Puget Sound region. Some buyers plan to renovate and sell in 1 or 2 years. They expect to cash in the capital gains their effort created. Others plan to renovate and hold the property. They see this as a way to increase cash flow. Either way, these buyers actively take steps to increase rents and values. They won't sit back and either wait for, or gamble, on a rising market. Our apartment investment report found that in the past 3 years, buyers who planned renovations expected to spend an average of $7,000 a unit, and they expect to increase rents $138 as a result. That rent increase will take a little more than 4 years to pay back the renovation cost. As the chart shows, the payback period is a little longer now than it was 25 years ago. This chart shows that both renovation costs and rent increases have trended higher over the past 25 years. It also shows they are very closely connected. This chart shows the same information as the last chart, but adjusted for inflation to current dollars. It shows that, between 1987 and 2003, investors typically spent an average of $6,000 to $8,000 a unit on renovation, and increased rents $100 to $150. Remember, these are inflation adjusted to current 2012 dollars. But after 2003, renovation costs were mostly in the $8,000 to $12,000 range, with rent increases of $150 to more than $200. You can use this chart to estimate costs and benefits. It shows the relationship between renovation costs and rent increases. It shows that a $5,000 a unit renovation should increase rents close to $160 a month. Spending $10,000 a unit should add about $240. The rest of this article, unimaginatively called Apartment Renovation Trends, looks at some of the renovation strategies for 2 properties. Northwest Commercial Real Estate bought Harvard Vista last year and renovated it. As you will see, renovation does not need to be limited to old buildings. This one was built in 1996. The second property is Centerview. It was built in 1911 and was bought and renovated by Cadence Capital. In addition to discussing these 2 buildings, the article also includes a discussion of the pros and cons of some of the flooring options investors are considering for their renovations. We encourage you to read the rest of the article, called Apartment Renovation Trends, at www.duprescott.com. Patty, Mike and I hope you enjoyed this video and article. If you did, here is a shameless plug. Why not subscribe to our Apartment Advisor newsletter? It is ridiculously cheap, because it is filled with so much valuable information. And join us again, next Friday, for a new apartment market update. In the meantime, have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Goodbye.